Hey guys, happy Monday, August 19th, 2024. We're here in the hills of beautiful San Bernardino, California. Had a call come in early this morning. It was about 6:30. A client had reached out to me looking to get a prenup agreement signed. And so since that call came in early, we were pretty amazed to be able to start that day with the early appointment. So we came out here after taking an intake call, and what that intake call consists of is, are both the parties going to be present? Are the identification, is it valid? Is the identification valid? And also we want to make sure that we get the right location and the time that they want to meet done. So once we got those little details out the way, we made it out here to our appointment, and the client had 2 copies of that prenup agreement, all printed out, filled out, and ready to be to have the signatures witnessed and notarized. So it's also important when we're doing these documents and when we're notarizing these documents that you build a relationship with your client while you do so. Get to know a little bit about the client. Nothing too pervasive or in-depth, but just simple questions like if it's a prenup agreement, how did you guys meet each other? Or how long have you lived in town? Or where are you from? Just basic things to get the conversation going as you fill out these documents. So you fill that space, you fill that dead air with a little bit of conversation to lighten up the mood a little bit, so that way you can build a relationship with this client so that they feel more comfortable referring you in the future to other people and even calling you back for a return notary appointment. So follow for more tips, guys. It's Brent with Wet Ink Notary. Please like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you soon.